Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your battery health on a Mac. To check your battery health, click on the Apple logo in top left corner. Then, while pressing on option, you will see that this context menu changes and you can click on system information. Then, as you can see, here is different data. And to see the battery data, go to power, and now you can see the charge information. So it's gonna be the cycle count, condition of your battery, full charge capacity, and more. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.